Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. Quick, easy recipe for mac and cheese. No roux, no eggs. See how cheesy that is? Only takes a couple ingredients, and this comes together in under 30 minutes. If you want to see how to make this, keep watching. Okay, here are the ingredients for no roux, no egg mac and cheese. Now just to show you, this box is almost empty. So I've got an 8x8, and then I've got this itty bitty one here. So I don't know which one will fit, but that's all the macaroni I'm gonna make. I have this Velveeta creamy mac and cheese, this cheese packet that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna grate cheese, sharp cheddar, and I'm gonna use some Minoto. That is a Mexican style dye that is used to color cheese. You know, cheese is normally white, and they put this in it to color it. So I'm going to use that and some salt. Welcome to my channel, Quick, Fast, Easy Meals. When you're making mac and cheese, one big thing, you know I love my packages. You really should not use packages for mac and cheese because it has a coating on there. I think it's cellulose or some kind of chemical that prevents it from sticking. So you won't get a creamy mac and cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and grate my cheese and get everything set up, get my water boiling. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, don't laugh. I'm going with the 7x7, the smaller one I showed you guys, because that's all the macaroni and cheese that was in that box, the pasta, I'm sorry. So it'll be an itty bitty one, just enough for a couple servings. So definitely only need one pack. If I was using the bigger one, I would get 2 packs of the Velveeta cheese. This is just easier, it's less to grate, and it's already smooth. Okay, I am going to grate this entire block of cheese. Just wanted to show you that I'm going to use the whole 8-ounce block for the quarter of a box or maybe third of a box of elbow macaroni. And you can cook it in water. Some people like to cook it in vegetable stock or chicken stock. I just don't like my mac and cheese with seasoning, salt, garlic, pepper. You can put paprika in there, but I just want the cheese flavor. But if you want to do all those extra spices and seasoning, be my guest. It's however your family likes it. We just like plain cheese, and I'm making just a small amount because it's just for my husband and myself. I don't have any children, and maybe it'll be enough for leftovers for him tomorrow. So I'm going to continue to get this grated up. See how that broke off? And keep grating, and then I'll come back and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, my water's boiling. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. And just to show you the relativity of the size of this dish, I'm going to add my pasta. It's all the elbow macaroni that I have. Oops, I lost a couple. Let that come back up to a boil. I'm going to stir this and let this cook for approximately 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to drain the macaroni. You do not want to rinse it. Now take it over to the side. Okay, I'm going to add my macaroni to the bowl. Then I'm going to add the Velveeta packaged cheese. Now if you're making this for more people, you would need more packages. But this is a quick, fast, easy way to make mac and cheese without a roux or eggs. I'm going to stir this together, get this well mixed. Now it's hot. And processed cheese is just creamy without having to do anything to it. You can buy it in the block, but you would have to melt it. And this is just basically a couple dish pan of mac and cheese. And to this I'm going to add some of the Dijon Anuto, and that gives it the orange color, the natural orange color that cheese gets at the factory. And then to this, I'm going to start adding some of the grated cheese. I'm going to save some for the top. Get that well mixed in. And like I said, if you like garlic powder, onion powder, Tony's, all that stuff to your mac and cheese, go right ahead. We just like plain macaroni and cheese flavor. Oh, I forgot one ingredient. Let me put you on pause that I really like to put in my mac and cheese. A little bit of Coleman's mustard. I'm just gonna eyeball this. It's not much mac and cheese. It doesn't add a mustard flavor, but it has to be the dried powdered mac and cheese. Do not use mac and cheese, mustard, French's or anything like that. Okay, so I'm gonna take my dish and I am going to spray it, because those that know me, welcome back. You know I hate letting my dishes soak. So I'm gonna add the mac and cheese layer. I'm going to add a layer of the sharp cheddar cheese to the middle, so you know this is super cheesy. Then I'm going to add the final layer of mac and cheese. Turned out to be more than I anticipated. Like I said, this is a 7 by 7. I only had a quarter of a box left of elbow macaroni and I wanted to use it up. That's all packed in. And final layer of cheese. Have my oven set at 350. This will cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, uncovered. Patting the cheese down. And once it's nice and bubbly, it's all set. So I'll meet you back in about 20-25 minutes. There you have it. After 25 minutes, no roux, no eggs, super cheesy mac and cheese with just minimal ingredients. I left off the black pepper because we like a lot of black pepper, but a lot of people don't like to serve it to people that way and let you add your black pepper on the plate. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Give this recipe a try if you're ever in a hurry and want super cheesy mac and cheese. And like I said, doctor it up, make it your own. And hope everybody has great holidays. I'm making this around Christmas time because I know people are feeding a lot of people. And this is a quick shortcut. So let me tell you guys my joke. It's a Christmas joke. Why was E the only letter in the alphabet to receive a Christmas gift? Don't know? Because E was the only letter that was not E. Not T, not E. It's a little kid joke. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment. Let me know if you try it. If you're in a hurry and you have to make mac and cheese for a large amount of people, this is a surefire shortcut. It's very cheesy, very flavorful. Do not forget the dry mustard, like I almost forgot to show you guys. It does something with the cheese. You don't taste mustard. You can't use French's mustard. But that definitely, for all the chefs, it goes with mac and cheese. And you can add paprika if you like. Paprika does have some flavor. People like to use that for color. But the anudo, it's a Mexican, I think a Spanish spice. It's not really a spice. What am I trying to call it? It's a dye, and they use it in a lot of foods to change the color, but it has no taste. And I got it off Amazon for really cheap if you like your mac and cheese to look really, really orange and cheesy. So anyway, have a great evening. God bless. Hope to see you on the next one.